What will bring a balance in your life? Many a times in life you come to a juncture where you keep wondering what would be the right step to take now to bring back the balance in life. The ancient runes can help you find a way. Smita Roy helps you explore. Choose one of the following stones to know what message you are supposed to know right now. Stone 1. Whilst you might be facing a harsh time right now, the ancient runes tell you to be patient. What seems destructive right now can turn out to be the foundation for a better future. When hail falls on earth, it burrows a hole in the soil. Whilst it might seem harsh upon the earth, once the ice melts, new life grows. Stay still through the storm, and it would clear out the way for you. This is also an opportunity for you to tap into untapped potential and explore yourself in a new way. There's a certain order in the chaos and an opportunity in every mess. It just needs to be seen in the proper manner. Break old thought patterns and be more open to things. A better and unexpected change shall suddenly come in life. Stone 2. There might be some self-created blockage that are creating obstacles in life at this time. It is time that you wake up and do some introspection about your own pessimism and see where they could have created obstacles in your growth. Once you address your internal fears and inhibitions, shall you open a gateway for yourself, bringing in a new avenue of growth from your current situation. The higher powers are protective of you and have already created a shield around you to save you from the negative energies. You just have to bring in the faith and make it stronger, and things would start getting better. Shift your perspective to the positive and things would turn out to be better. Stone 3. The best way to obtaining goals is to first fix them and then focus on them. Take a journey within and get to know yourself better. Appreciate yourself and all that you have achieved so far. It would push you to go forward. Many only dream of what you have attained in life. The rightest path shall bring the rightful results. Sometimes it is good to give in to the conventional thought, as that is what shall take you ahead in your journey of life. Like the path of the sun, which remains constant and yet brings about changes in everything around it, so too shall the known path take you ahead, bringing changes in life. Do good unto others, and the good shall happen unto you. Stone 4. When things seem a little out of hands, it's best to leave everything on the higher path and trust the process that whatever happens is for the higher good. Rejections come because that path or that choice would have turned out to be bad for you. What matters most is that you hold your self-belief with optimism more than giving in to the weight of the situation. Enhance and rely on your inner strength. Work on self-healing for mental and physical good health. Your intuitions shall guide you better. Be responsible for your own actions, and remember, you are free to choose, but are not free from the consequences of your actions. All that is happening is a result of your own choices. Stone 5. Your full potential shall be achieved with self-belief. Almost everyone has similar experiences and powers to deal with things, but what gives them an upper hand over others is their own self-image and confidence. Once you trust your own talents to take you further, you wouldn't bother about any other obstacles or competition that come by. There is a certain divinity in you, which, if you realize and respect, shall help you go ahead in life by illuminating your path ahead. You haven't been giving yourself much credit and appreciation, and you deserve far more. Despite being in crowds, if you find yourself alone, it means you stand above the crowd, so use it to your advantage. Blessed be. For personalized runic readings or tarot readings and spiritual healings, write in to info@fairytalesinc.com.